All right, boys and girls, we are ready for some math. With math today, we're going to find different ways to make 10. So you're going to need your crayons. You're going to need two different colors. They are using red and blue. I've got red and blue. If you don't have red and blue, you could choose two other colors to use. But on this first problem, we've got 10 cubes. Let's see how many red ones they used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4 blue cubes. So 6 red cubes plus 4 blue cubes equal 10 cubes all together. All right, now we're going to find some different ways to make 10. So our directions say use cubes of two different colors to show different ways to make 10. So I've got some cubes here. Let's see how many red ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to mark 5 red cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to color them in. And my red's kind of a reddish pink, and that is okay, as long as you're using two different colors. All right, so I've got 5 red cubes. Now let's see how many cubes are left to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 5 of my blue ones. I'm going to put these 5 red and 5 blue together, and let's see if I have 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do. So these 5 cubes need to be blue. 5 red plus 5 blue equal 10 cubes all together. 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, we're going to make another problem. All right, here are my red cubes. Let's see how many I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So mark 8 spaces or 8 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then color them. All right, so we've got 8 red cubes. All right, we have 2 spaces left, boys and girls, so I'm going to put 2 blue cubes with them, and let's see if we've got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do. So 8 red cubes plus 2 blue cubes equals 10 cubes all together. 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right, let's turn our page over and fold it back and look at some directions. All right, up here by the red apple, they have worked a problem for us. They have 9 blue cubes. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1 red cube. And trace the 1, and that equals 10 cubes all together. These are 10 cubes, 9 of them are blue, 1 is red. 9 blue cubes plus 1 red cube equals 10 cubes all together. all the rest of our problems are going to be that same way. They're just going to change the number. So you're going to look at the number. It says 8 blue. You're going to mark 8 blue cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you will color them. Then you need to look to see how many cubes are left that are going to be red. There are 2 cubes left, so I'm going to write a 2 here, because we know all of our problems are going to have 10 cubes altogether. So those 2 that are left are going to be red. 8 blue cubes plus 2 red cubes equals 10 cubes altogether. All right, we're going to do one more together, then you're going to do the next page by yourself. All right, we go to the next problem. 7 blue cubes. So I need to mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to color them. All right, how many cubes do we have left? 1, 2, 3. So those 3 are going to be red. And we have 10 cubes all together. So 7 blue cubes plus 3 red cubes is 10 all together. You've got one more page to do like that, where you're going to look to see how many need to be blue, and then see what is left that will be red. You're going to have 10 all together. The back page, we do not have to do that today. So put an X on that back page. You do not have to worry about that one today. You just need to do these 3 problems on your own, and I will check them. All right, if you have a question or you need any help, send me a message or call me.